I've used both of DreamHost and SiteGround, and in this video, I will share with you which one is the best option for you. Before we go into the details, I want to let you know that if you get one of these web hosting providers using my affiliate links from the description below, I will give you access to my online university for free, where you get access to multiple courses, including one about your new web hosting provider. Without any further ado, let's get into the details. DreamHost made installing WordPress straightforward. All you have to do is click on Install WordPress under WordPress, select your domain name, hit install and wait a minute. After that, you will receive an email confirming your installation and letting you set your WordPress password. Installing WordPress on SiteGround was easy. First, go to WordPress, select Install and Manage. Click on this select button below WordPress. Select your domain name, your website language, installation path, username, password, email address, and hit this install button. And just like that, your WordPress is installed on your domain name. A cool feature I really like in SiteGround is the staging feature. It helps you avoid breaking your WordPress website when performing risky tasks like updating plugins or themes. How does it work? It creates a duplicate copy of your website. You can test those risky changes on the copy, and once you're sure everything works fine, you can deploy it, meaning you publish the changes to your live WordPress site. DreamHost also simplified the process of creating a professional email address. It's straightforward. Just click on Manage Email, select your domain, fill in your information, and voila, you have your inbox ready to go. Creating a free email account with SiteGround is also easy. I've created this professional looking email address. First, they give me only around 500 megabytes of storage. Then I've adjusted from here up to 10 gigabytes. Accessing this email address was also easy. And with SiteGround, all you need to do to access your webmail is write in your domain name, then add /webmail. Fill in your email address and hit login. With SiteGround, you can create email forwarders and also autoresponders. Unfortunately, I didn't succeed at connecting my SiteGround free email account with Gmail, and I think it was due to these non-updated email settings. While DreamHost has many positive aspects, there are some not so good aspects to consider. One of them is the average speed. I conducted a split test comparison with Hostinger to demonstrate the difference. In the comparison, DreamHost didn't load as quickly as Hostinger. If you still want to go with DreamHost, just remember to optimize your WordPress by installing only the necessary plugins, also using a lightweight theme, and optimizing the size of your photos. After installing this starter template from Astra theme, I gave my website a visit, and from my experience, I think the speed is only average. It is not bad, but it is not top of the market. And these are the results from GT metrics, page speed insights, and pingdom by SolarWinds. Instead of weekly backups, DreamHost makes daily ones that you can access. One minor flaw I didn't like about DreamHost backup system is that it makes them a bit harder to access. But rest assured, your backups exist within your website files. Creating a website backup inside SiteGround was easy. All you need to do is to give your backup a name and hit enter. After that, you see all of your available backups here. But unfortunately, I was not able to download my backup to my computer because I was asked to pay for a subscription. Fortunately, with access to this file manager app, I can compress all of my website files and download them just like that. And for my databases, I can export them manually from PHP My Admin. But don't worry, restoring your available backups is easy and also free. If you are concerned about your investment in DreamHost, rest assured they offer a super generous money back guarantee that extends to more than 3 months. This gives you ample time to decide if it fits your needs. However, keep in mind that if you want a full refund, delay redeeming your free domain name to avoid it being deducted from your refund. In terms of the money back guarantee, SiteGround gives you 30 days money back guarantee on their shared hosting plans and 14 days on their cloud hosting plans. And if you register their free domain name, a fee will be deducted. And as they said, upon canceling a service eligible for a refund, you will see a confirmation on your screen with the exact refund amount. If you confirm the cancellation request, the refund will be issued immediately and should appear in your bank statement with just 7 to 10 business days. If you don't know how to cancel a service with SiteGround, it's simple. Just log into your SiteGround account, go to Services, select your service from here, and next to your service click on Settings, and from these three dots you have the option to cancel this service. Make sure to select immediately and hit continue. And after that, if you confirm the cancellation request, the refund will be issued immediately. If you don't like this method, you can contact them directly through their live chat support and ask them to cancel your service for you and issue a refund. In 2024, DreamHost made a good change by making their live chat support available all day and night instead of just for 16 hours a day. Improvement like this makes me trust the company more. Every time I use the live chat, I talk to Juan. While the support team may be limited in number, the waiting times were always acceptable and the quality of support I received was top notch and fast. Shout out to Juan from DreamHost. Getting to SiteGround customer support live chat is not that easy. It is a little bit hidden in their knowledge base articles, so you need to select a topic first and then you get access to it. In terms of wait time to get connected, it was almost instant, just like they claim. However, the support agent wasn't very quick to respond. It felt like he was chatting with multiple people at once, which is pretty common these days. That said, his replies were clear and I could tell he was genuinely trying to resolve my issue.